What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the videos. Comment below. Recommendations are welcome, all that good stuff. There's also a link below for Discord. Join if you wish. You can always see behind the scenes there, so whenever I get some new pickups, before I've uploaded the video, I'll post it there, like, this is what's coming, this is what I purchased, blah blah blah. Enough waffling, let's get straight into this one. Some more Pumas. The standard green and white Puma box, I'll be honest, no need to even review it. It's like the Nike box, we just skip past it and go straight to the label. So this pair is called the City Rider Molded, and the colorway is Puma Black, so just one color. And then the style code is 38341103. The size is 9.5, UK, Europe 44, US 10.5, and centimeters 28.5, and they are made in Cambodia. Yes. So we've got the City Rider Molded. So it's basically all black colorway. It does have hints of grey. I don't know why they didn't mention it on the box, but more or less all black with bits of grey. We'll just get straight through all the information. We'll go to the bottom. So they've got that Puma Rider sole. It does have information on the bottom. Rider something in German, since 1948, forever faster, and then Puma, and it's got all these little dots as the sole, and then a little Puma in their signature font. Midsole is all black really, and then above it it's got a slight like raised piece of foam, which is still part of the midsole but it's kind of raised. And then we've got plastic on the back, so that plastic goes all the way around the heel and onto the other side, and then the same, that kind of raised foam bit for the midsole. On the back we've got leather, then there we've got more plastic. It's like a rubber type plastic. The Puma swoosh is a rubber type plastic. Then we've got mesh all around and onto the other side. The toe box we've got leather, and then we've got this, what is that? That's leather as well, yeah, a type of leather. And then we've got the lace loops, which are again in leather, and the standard Puma flat laces. On the tongue, it is like a neoprene tongue that we have here, and then it's just got Puma plain old simple. The insole, it doesn't actually say like comfort or anything, and it is stuck in, but you can see it is like that foam material that Puma do use, so the comfort levels are there. Very fussy. This is me being super fussy. I don't like that there. I don't know why they done that. I just think it looks a bit odd. Literally you can't even notice it, but I've picked it up and I don't really like it, but that's just me being super fussy. In terms of silhouette and colorway, can't go wrong with all black, or basically all black. Silhouette is very nice. I believe in other colors as well, it looks quite good, like on shorts, a holiday shoe, a summer shoe, you know, lightweight, and it's got that mesh, so like breathable materials, it's not too hot on your foot. Definitely do recommend these. This colorway, you know, black for like spring or autumn, you know, the transition type of months, you can always wear these. Very nice. You can also waterproof them so they don't get wet in the rain, but I do really like them. They are a good shoe. Comfort level is always there, and the quality is also always there due to it being Puma. I really can't, you know, slate them or anything like that. Just apart from that bit I don't like, but that's me being super fussy. But yeah, I really do like these. Let me know what you think of these. It was just literally a quick review. Very nice shoe, to be honest. Don't have anything bad to really say about them. But yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if you hate them, if you rate them, if you got them, if you'll get them. Let me know what other shoes you want to see me review. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Wait a few moments and you'll see an on-foot video. Take care, my people.